Well, Cub Cadet seems to have this easy drain thing, supposedly anyway. I would like to just have a bolt that comes off the edge, but now I gotta find a pipe, a little tube that is about the size of my pinky to run off of that. Okay, I found some hose here. Let's see what kind of... The hose that fit it was a standard 5/8 OD, half-inch ID. And it fits pretty snug on there. There we go. Let's see, that should work. Make sure we're... I guess I see why they do this, because much way to get an oil pan right under there. Stick that right in there. Make sure it's not going to go anywhere. Take this goofy little pan thing off of there. There we go. Oh, we got some. Oh, there's the camera. Hello. Okay, so let's. Now I guess we have to. There's supposed to be some tool or something to do this, I think, but basically just have to twist this thing. Get it on there somehow. Okay, so I got some pliers here. You can see that we need to grip onto this guy somehow. Grip onto him. I don't want to do it with the hose because the hose will come off. But we just try to. There we go. Pull him out. And that should be the best flow we can get of oil out of him. There we go. So, with all my monkeying around, I found out that you gotta get that and get it pulled all the way out, if you can see that. So you have to pull that, you have to get, that's one focus. You have to get this pulled out. You can see how that thing's notched. Okay, now he's done draining. All the oil is out. Push it back in. Turn it, turn it, turn it. Yep, okay, it's locked on there.